This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so activation can succeed. Check that your iPhone runs the latest iOS and has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Sudden drops interrupt activation. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID in Settings and that FaceTime is turned on. Also verify date and time are set to automatic and that your carrier supports FaceTime calling. If you have a prepaid plan, ensure SMS/MMS capability is active because activation sometimes uses SMS. Once those basics are set, perform the concrete activation steps. First, toggle FaceTime off, fully restart your iPhone, then toggle it back on so the device reattempts registration. If that fails, sign out of your Apple ID in FaceTime, restart, then sign back in and confirm your phone number and email appear as reachable addresses. If you still see waiting for activation, reset network settings to clear any stuck carrier or DNS entries. Then try activation again on both Wi-Fi and cellular. To finish, be patient. Activation can take up to 24 hours in some cases, so allow time after retries. Verify your carrier billing allows the activation SMS and that no blocks exist on your number. If activation still fails, collect screenshots and the exact error, then contact Apple support. They can inspect activation logs. If you suspect the carrier, try a different SIM to isolate the issue. This quickly tells you whether the problem is device or carrier-related and guides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.